Igbo no mena game take na kwa ma ono. Bika mam ne ya na afọ right up the n'akụkụ screen ya na asị ọzọkwa gịnị na-eme ogene kwado ihe nka. This is a very powerful write up our brother Mafia bụ Chijioke Okoli. Chijioke Okoli, a very powerful write up on there. Because if you are somebody that has been following this channel, you know that we are always here to set the record straight. And we are always here to get a mehe ko we ye if you came kwani he kan nwanne na nwanne si mehe. Humanity before religion. Can you that human mindset before religion? Can you that no wa abure ebo bibi aye? What other legacy are you leaving for the children? As I am today now, I'm mother on video. I'm with a big man and I'm father mother and I'm bishop and I'm other people and if I am not speaking for the truth, I'm making you that is harboring something in your mind, feel you uncomfortable. That means I'm not doing the right thing. I was surprised one day by my Reverend Sister Mother Mario. She not my YouTube channel. I was so impressed. I'm phone and I'm money in a room for that video. I was so much impressed. You go see that na no bro onya se nwo ya anwo. And eziokwu anu na ngwa gị na eziokwu dị ka ogo emele eme. Asị gị na ogo na amụta nwa ogo na emete enyi. Ogo na enweta ikwu na ibe. Just like the truth anu na agwa unu na this truth will make you uncomfortable, but a time will come when you will need it. A time will come when you would go back into your place of base, into your inner place of place. You begin to say, this guy man, one thing I know about this life is that when Nicodemus came to Jesus by night, was your master, we know that you will see a servant sent by God. Man, one thing he made sure that now during the day they will never agree with Jesus. Many of you have been at this platform, both in the comment section and everything. You will say, you may not agree with what I'm saying. When I deep down in your heart, back to your base. Because once one reality of one hit every man and woman, no, why is that now? Once you data, Wi-Fi, you go decide to be off from the social media space. You will come back to the reality whether now you watch or basic or bass. I name will help any do I know BI. I never mother. I will any do I know BI. In other words, now you open I believe on ya. Never bunkany do I. And don't know no one ma. Bobiana goes man born at all. And the only problem is that many people are ignorance of the truth. Now I die for any high new. This is a letter our brother Chijioke Okoli wrote to the Catholic Church generally, because the event of last upper week, Imogodo's Akacham and the kind of things in the Catholicdom, in the Christendom and Catholic as a body is something to be emulated. Uhenyele is an example. I'm trying to connect the dots for you to land into what we are about to say, so that I'm using the recent event that happened in order to usher you into something that we want to say. Not that he wrote this letter because of Yemen. Man, this letter came in such as time as this. Just like the way Mordecai and Agua Esther. Because Esther, who knows whether if you are a middle queen in the house of this king in such as time as this. Mordecai Esther. Man, most people know that Bible na man that part. Man, again, on tekuni here when I work in the jail and the Catholic. Whether you're Catholic or not, you're Anglican, you're cause, so this thing concerns you as well. It concerns you as well, because one of the things they eat him up and he ain't know why is that at the end of the year, he ain't one nigga working. It's not basaragi. It's not basaragi. Man, one day are through with us. Mordecai said it. Or say, don't think that you will escape Haman. Because when this plot of Haman executed, don't think because they know Napala and Haman once they are through with us, they are coming for you. And the Bible said when the king saw that what he did pleases the people, he stretched up his hand and took Peter as well. So it's a law that must happen to everybody. Man, today we are addressing Catholic. We are addressing Catholic through the letter of our brother again. Dear Catholics, are we going to pretend that we didn't see that our once reverend Catholic priesthood is losing its relevance? Bam. The reason why they work with this part is that go and trace social media. Go and look around social media. Go and look about everything. If you the father, name on social media. Starting from Father Ebubedike, the master crowd puller and the master propagandalist. Obo. Go and start from him. In any Father Mentor, in any Father Okoli, in any Father Onyenka, in any Father Onyenka. You know, just say, what are these reverend fathers learning from the people that have done and have dined with God before? The Ebubedike ha, Father Dibia ha, Father all those things, all those Father Ede ha, Father Baby Monso ha, Father Mbaka ha, all those Father Reverend fathers that are all those reverend fathers that have done things in God in deep waters. Kidi ha na amutanaka ha. Also same email kabol men come mbosinku exclusively say no. That caution these boys, no, I can't say I found out all these young boys, no, they can na babet. I said it exclusive, no, they can da na babet. Nanda na eme can da na babet. Almost every ball or na aba on had na wall all these fathers. They post more of ball entertainment more than the way they post about winning souls. After ball, you went to Catholic, all these Catholic remembrance them. This Catholic liturgy date, all those things, it all signifies this my days of the saint. Or here name within a page hakalia, rather than having a place and a share to win souls, to educate people. If only for all those things, if hana correct could be not correct one pastor or the other, or they will be trying to tell you that na father be here. Or we say the priests we once adored, fear and confess to are becoming social media sensations, jumping on every trending topic, bantering words with random persons in the comment section. Because it's in a comment section for the mentor. If you this people na mama a trigger oku, and a mama a trigger, how you use as a scapegoat in the comment section. You could say, hey, father, you might father. You don't talk to father like that. Mana father na mama ajakwi oku. Go away, Botoba. Which is not a good thing for your father. And the nature you should not desist yourself from all these things. So that can you respect daily. When the father narabata social media, they have once respected manaketa and abu father so it's also here following the mother today. Kaja to a father bone do massive maya. Because a lot of them has humiliated and desecrated the one sacred hood of priesthood. The priests we only see in churches and in their offices are now content creators, defaming the sacred order and doing dance challenge. Don't tell me about canon law, dogmas and stand of the church as regards secrecy of confession, but it will never sit right with me confessing to a content creator priest. It may look cute and inexclusive, but it is not. Bring back the era when every little child, Catholic boy wanted to become a priest. Addressing reverend fathers. And this in the hand I'm gonna make the game on social media. Don't give yellow. Umboso ye hit umboso I make a confession father will ever make content on social media. That day, I share with Bali. Go to Kwanumbosa. Bye.